Welcome students. Today we will be going to learn a very interesting chapter that is called Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. From this chapter we are going to learn what is natural vegetation and wildlife, the types of natural vegetation and wildlife, and the type of natural vegetation and wildlife from tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean vegetation, coniferous forest, grassland, and the thorny bushes. So, what is natural vegetation? So, natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. So the growth of vegetation depends on temperature, moisture, factors like slopes and thickness of the slope. We can classify natural vegetation into three broad categories. They are such as forest, grassland. Next, the tropical evergreen forest. So this tropical evergreen forest, also known as tropical rainforest. So it has some characteristic. So these thick forests occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. Hot and receive rainfall throughout the year. Number 3, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. That's why they are known as evergreen. And some of the hardwood trees found in this forest like the rosewood, ebony and the mahogany are common here. So from this map you can easily observe that the equator passes the middle of our globe, and just following the equator and in between the tropics, the tropical evergreen forest is situated. It's situated mainly in Brazil, Central Africa and in the southeastern Asia. So from these photographs you can observe the trees and animals found in the rainforest. Some of the notable trees names you have already learned, that is the rosewood, mahogany, and some of the animals live in the rainforest, that is the jaguar, the anaconda, the toucans, etc. Tropical deciduous forest. So tropical deciduous forests are the monsoon forest found in the large part of India. As you know, India is the monsoon climate region, northern Australia and in Central America. Trees shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. Trees found in this forest are sal, teak, neem, sesame, and the animals found in these jungles are tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, monkeys are common. And in the map you can easily observe the pink color marked regions representing monsoon deciduous forest of the world. So some of the plants and animals of tropical deciduous forest are given here. The forest look like this, that means as the trees of the deciduous forest shed their leaves in dry season, so it's not the evergreen type of vegetation, and animals like elephant, tigers, langurs and monkeys are found in the jungle. Temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents in southeast USA, South China and in southeastern Brazil. They comprises both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. In the map you can observe those areas representing temperate evergreen forest. In this slide you will find some temperate evergreen forest trees and animals. Temperate deciduous forest. As we go towards higher latitude, temperate deciduous forests are found. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in dry season. The common trees of this forest are oak, ash, beech, etc. And the animals found in this forest are the deer, foxes, wolves, birds like pheasant and monals. And in the map the green marked portions are representing temperate deciduous forest. In this slide you can see some of the trees. The very important are ash tree, beech tree, oak tree, and the monals and pigeons are the two very important birds are found in the jungle subtropical deciduous region. Mediterranean vegetation. This type of vegetation mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. These regions are marked for hot, dry summer and mild, rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here. There is not much wildlife there. So, as the name implies, you will find this type of vegetation just around the Mediterranean region and some other portion like the southern Australia, southwestern Australia, and the western margin of United States of America. You will find Mediterranean type of vegetation. Coniferous forest. In the higher latitude, mainly between 50 to 70 degree latitude of the northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. Another name of this coniferous forest is taiga forest. Tall, softwood evergreen trees are common here. Cheer, pine, cedar are common. An important variety of trees found in this forest. Some of the animals very common here like the silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. And in the map, the green portion mainly in the northern hemisphere, that is the location of coniferous forest in the world. Now we reached almost the last portion of our topic, that is the grassland. So grassland of the world can be divided into two types. One is the tropical grassland, that means the region which is situated in between the tropics, and the temperate grassland, that means the region which is situated in between the temperate areas. So tropical grassland actually occurs either side of the equator, and the example you can say savanna grassland of Africa, and the temperate, those are the mid latitudinal zones or the interior part of the continent, say for example pampas grassland of Argentina. So students, this is the general introductory video of the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and we will learn about those features elaborately when we start reading our chapter. So that's all for this general introductory video. Have a nice day. Thank you.